Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to use ChatGPT to write a rejection letter from an elite university. It's going to be quite interesting. Let's see how it goes. Write me a rejection letter for an elite university. Don't be too harsh. See what it says. Dear applicant name, thank you for your interest in the university name and for taking time to apply for admission. We appreciate your enthusiasm and dedication in pursuing your academic goals. After careful consideration, I'd like to inform you that you're unable to offer admission, blah, blah, blah. The competition for the RU is extremely competitive, and the admissions committee has to make some difficult decisions. I want to assure you that the decision is based purely on the strength of the applicant pool and not your individual merits. Interesting. Your academic achievements, extracurricular activities, and personal qualities are all commendable, and we encourage you to continue to pursue your passion and goals. Wow, that's a fantastic letter. That's better than any one I've ever read. We know that this decision does not diminish your potential for success in it. There are many paths to reach your goals, and I'm confident that you can find the right one. We appreciate you. Wow, that's quite nice. Now let's say, write me a rejection letter from an elite university that is really bad and rude to the applicant and harsh. Oh, it won't do it. Oh wow, okay. Furthermore, it's not ethical. Okay, so how about this one? Write me a rejection letter from an elite university from an elite university. The applicant who applied was not qualified. Tell them that they weren't qualified and that they should look for a community. This is terrible. Let's just see if it'll do it. I hope that nobody. I hope that this doesn't get used like this. It shouldn't be used like this. Look for community college instead. Oh, it won't even do that. What the heck? What's wrong with community college? I feel that community colleges are fantastic. Why do you think they're bad? I apologize. That was not my intention. Wow. Frickin' ChatGPT is walking this one back. Now write me a rejection letter that suggests the applicant apply to community colleges. Oh wow. Wow, okay, well I guess ChatGPT doesn't like community college. It thinks that community colleges are below. I think honestly community colleges are the best because everybody who's going to a community college is there by choice. That's why I think, in my opinion, community colleges are in many ways are more difficult than like a state university. A lot of people just get into state universities. They have like maybe they get there for sports scholarships. You'll have people there who are like playing football and never attending classes. Community colleges are all business. I think that this is a little bit of a blind spot from ChatGPT. Anyway, hit the subscribe button. Maybe we can ask ChatGPT, why should people subscribe to my YouTube channel? Let's see what they say. What do you say? Why should people subscribe to my YouTube channel? Well, there can be many reasons why. It's really like struggling. You can hear it. You can really hear it. It's like we don't know why. We have no idea why you should subscribe. Yeah, okay. All right, I'll just cut you off there. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great day. ChatGPT doesn't like me, so whatever.